We are just about 27 subscribers short of 600, and I promised a giveaway at the 600 subscriber mark. Now, I like to do giveaways in the future as well, based on the milestones, but this is my first giveaway on the channel, and one of you lucky subscribers is going to win this. So stay till the end of the video for an important detail if you want to participate in this giveaway. Namaste everybody. I have unboxed this watch once before on this channel, so this is not really an unboxing, it is a detailed review of the watch because I have owned one for months now. So I thought, based on my experience, it's the right time to leave a detailed review and make it the last video for the year 2023. Let's dive right in. Here is the Casio F-105 again in all its glory. The Casio watch collectors community know this as an ideal upgrade to the Casio F-91W, but I have a different opinion. At first glance of the Casio F-105, it feels like it is bigger than the F-91, but when you place them next to each other, they are the same dimensions, except the thickness. The difference is seen when you turn them to the side. The F-91 is 8.5mm thick and the F-105 is 9.6mm thick. Major props to Casio for pricing the F-105 same as the F-91W. They are both priced at $22.95 as stated on the Casio website, even though this is an upgraded module, but you will find it for cheaper with retailers or if you buy during sales. If you live in India, I have mentioned the link in the description to buy it from abroad. Let's look at some of the pros of Casio F-105. The Casio F-105 has better build for the same price as F-91 with exposed lugs, which gives the strap more freedom to move about the lugs. The thicker case and more surface area on the face taken up by the blue graphics gives it a better presence on the wrist compared to the F-91. The EL light, aka the electroluminescence light, which has given this watch the name of Illuminator, lights up the whole screen with a bluish green light that makes it easy to see time in the dark. Let's look at some of the cons. The EL light will lose strength over time, rendering the watch almost useless in the dark. The EL backlight doesn't have an afterglow. You need to hold the button and keep it pressed for as long as you need the light. For a watch that the Casio community claims is an upgrade to the F-91, has only water resist, that is 30-meter splash resist, but since it's priced the same as the F-91 and has better light, we shouldn't complain about the water resist. It's very simple. If you are a Casio fan, then it makes sense for you to have both F-91 and F-105 because they're both legendary watches. F-91, despite the crappy light, it is the one that started it all. Everything else followed suit, but F-105 has better light and the case is thicker. There are people who prefer thicker watches, so it makes sense to have F-105 too. So if you're a Casio fan, yes, having both makes sense. But if you're just looking for a digital watch that is functional, then I would definitely recommend the F-105 and not the F-91. But if you are just looking for a digital watch that is cheap and affordable and $23 to $25 is your budget, definitely pick up the F-105 because it is more practical and it looks good on your wrist. If you are looking for a cheap digital watch that is practical, that which will run for years with the initial battery and then have it run for decades with subsequent battery changes, then this watch is for you. If you are looking for a simple and casual digital watch to go with your casual attire, then this is for you. If you are a student, then it's a good idea to save money for this watch because you won't be disappointed. It's simple yet practical. But bear in mind, this is a resin watch. the resin will degrade over time and won't look as smooth as it does when the watch is new. In conclusion, for the price, the Casio F-105 is a very good purchase. It feels comfortable on the wrist, and the blue on the face makes it very visible on the wrist, and the EL backlight makes this watch a winner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now here are the important details for the giveaway of the Casio F-105. One lucky winner is going to win this. Condition number one is you have to live in India. It doesn't matter what nationality you are. If you're watching this and you're living in India, you are eligible to win this watch. Now, I will use a random comment picker. The video that I will use for the comment picker is the first video that will be uploaded in 2024. Keep an eye out. I will announce in the community section as to when that video will go up on the channel, so you can drop your comment. Just make sure that it's not a random emoji comment. So if you can, a supportive comment or a critique, it doesn't matter, just something that will help us grow as a community in 2024. Drop a comment on that video, not this video, the first video of 2024. So keep an eye out. I will make announcements so it's all fair and everyone is aware of it. Lastly, I want to ensure that we grow this community in the right way, where we build trust, between us. So I want to ensure fairness and transparency. So when I use the comment picker on the video to choose the winner, I will be recording my screen and I will upload the video on the channel so everyone can see that it was chosen randomly, that I am not going to have favorites, or I get a lot of comments asking pick me, but then I wish I had that much money to give away watches to every single subscriber or everyone who comments, but then I have to ensure fairness. So I will record the whole process. I'll upload it on the channel so you guys can see that the fairness and transparency was maintained. That's it. Have a wonderful end to 2023. Have a great new year. I'll see you guys in 2024. I hope your 2024 is filled with prosperity, good health, and happiness, joy, and everything that you guys deserve. I will see you guys in 2024, and there is so much more planned for 2024 already. Trust me, my January is pretty much planned in terms of content, so I cannot wait to show it to you guys. So till then, stay tuned and stay classy.